Take it from the headlines of Bus and Motorcoach news this month. First-time competitor Lance Salik has been named the 2026 UMA Maintenance Competition Grand Champion. Another first-time competitor, John Matthews, wins the 2026 UMA International Driver Competition. FMCSA Administrator Barra highlights the importance of frontline transportation workers during his visit to our 2026 UMA EXPO. Daimler Coaches has opened up a new Florida headquarters, expanding its operation in the United States. Huskey Trailways earned the 2026 UMA Vision Award following a year marked by adversity and leadership transitions. And finally, our industry is remembering visionary John Hall Sr., who passed away shortly after celebrating his 82nd birthday and his company's industry honor. This video is sponsored by busrates.com, the original anti-broker website so no one gets between you and your customer. Make busrates.com your business building partner today. Read all these stories and so much more in Bus and Motorcoach News. And that's your Motorcoach Minute.